today, this is the same day and the same year. We did the other video. And this is part 2. And stay tuned for part 3, guys. The fires are over there, as you can see. Yeah. There's some places we're gonna go. We're gonna go down there and around there, like that. See that? Yeah. Those trees do look huge, even though we're super duper duper, like duper super looper gooper nooper duper far away from them. Those trees are gigantic. Those are the biggest trees I ever saw. So, that's it for today. See you later.